Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use magic show up face show up magic AI avatar on your smartphone. So you can see face show up magic here. You can download it from Google Play Store, App Store, but that's not it's free, but you have to watch the ad. So I'm just going to tap. So you can see it looks like this. So face show up magic. So you have to wait, there is a lot of ad. So here you can see interface look like this, but it's trending in pro image. So you will get some free, and if you want to show up your face with videos, then you have to buy the premium package, otherwise it's not possible. So I'm just going to show you by image. So I'm just going to choose this person. Okay, and then you have to upload your picture. You can add more than 73. So I'm just going to tap and choose your gallery. I just upload the massive picture, massive face. So you can see you need to crop. Oh, it's not so detect. So generate your avatar. You can add more photos. I'm just going to click generate your avatar. So your artwork is being generated. So you have to wait. It's really easy, but in free version, free mode, you will not able to use in videos. So you have to watch ad. You can see it's pretty cool, like the image is like this. So it's really nice. So this way you can show up picture, then save. But you can see the right bottom corner is a watermark. So in free version you can crop it later, but in free version it's really amazing. So this way you can generate photos, so you can save. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. So today's normal, and see you in the next video.